if you guys want to see what did I make in my first day monetized. So on my first day monetized, I made what's going on, guys? I hope everybody's doing good. I wanted to show you guys the analytics of my channel and just basically give you an idea of what a small YouTube channel will be making. I mean, I can only speak for myself. Obviously everybody's different. A lot of YouTube channels that are smaller than mine probably make a lot more money than mine. You know, it's just how it goes. You know, you can't compare yourself to everybody else. You got to stick to the path, you got to stick to the script, and you just got to keep on going. The only way you're going to make it is hard work and perseverance. It's going to take a long time. At least it took me a long time. I mean, some people get monetized in like a couple of months. Me, it took a super long time because I would stop. I would switch the niches. I didn't know what I wanted to make videos on. I mean, I was just like, if you look at my videos all the way from the start, if I go all the way to the last page, you know, the first video I uploaded was on December 1st, 2022. So that was a long time ago. Okay. And if you notice these videos, all of these videos I put as private because I didn't want to delete them all, because I know YouTube sometimes they'll think like, I don't know, they get the wrong impression if you start deleting your videos or whatever. So I just marked them as private because I didn't want them to show up anymore. But as you can see, this is how I like started off my channel. I wanted to do like the make money online thing, but the problem is, how am I gonna do make money online and I don't even make no money? I'm broke. That's not gonna work. How is that gonna work, you know? But you know, I of course, like a lot of people, you know, you see people on YouTube making these videos about, oh, you can hire people on Fiverr, they'll make you the video and you put out the video. Well, guys, I tried that method, you know, and it wasn't working, and I figured out it wasn't working real fast, because when I started realizing was like, first of all, the thumbnails were terrible. I mean, look at this thumbnail right here, you guys. If I just click on this, look at this thumbnail, you guys. I mean, who is gonna watch a video with a thumbnail like that? I know I definitely would not, and yeah, not many people did, because as you could clearly see, there's like, I don't know how many views were. This one had 25 views, so I'm amazed that 25 people even clicked on that. But the point is, guys, when I started off, I was doing that method and trying to just pay people on Fiverr. I think I would pay like for 10 videos at a time, and then they would upload the 10 videos. And yeah, it was just, I quickly realized that was going to be a waste of time and a waste of money. It wasn't going nowhere. So then I switched over to trying to make my own. Actually, this one was, the video was made by somebody else, but I wrote the script for the video, and then I ended up doing the thumbnail myself. And when I did that, I ended up seeing some success. I got like 12,000 views off of that video, but I think it also had to do with the topic. You know, I picked a good topic. It was about ChatGPT making me a clothing line. So I think it was a really good topic that I chose at the time. And of course, right after I did that, I saw success. Don't do like me, okay? I saw success off of this video, and what did I do? I went and made the next video about something like completely different, another make money online video, which was just silly. Like, why would I do that? If I saw success on the ChatGPT making a clothing line, I should have stuck with the AI tools from there, you know? But I decided to move back to the make money online videos, which was doing nothing, and which, you know, it wasn't showing me any success. So why did I do that? I have no idea why I did that. I just wasn't thinking, you know. I wasn't being smart, that's for sure. So yeah, it's taken me a long time to get this channel monetized, and now I am finally monetized after like a year and a half, you guys. So if anybody could do it, you guys can do it. I mean, if I could do it, you guys can do it. This took me like a year and a half, and you'll see, like, if I go back there, you'll see that there's some months I didn't even publish any videos, because, you know, after a couple months I would just get sick of it, and it's just like, you know, you don't see no light at the end of the tunnel. It's like, what is going on? This ain't never gonna work, you know. It makes you question yourself. But if you have perseverance, if you have persistence, you know, if you really truly believe in yourself, and every time you get down, you got to look to the future and think like, what is it going to be in about a year from now, you know? Because a year out from now, that's when everything is going to start paying off for you. All right. So if you guys want to see, now I just recently finally got monetized and I'm able to put ads on my videos. So if you guys want to see what did I make in my first day monetized, so on my first day monetized, I made $6.38. Yeah, a whopping $6.38. But I will tell you guys, this $6 was the best $6 I've ever made in my life. Why? Because this is like, now I will tell you guys first, before I even say that this is not the first money that I made off of this channel. I've been getting paid by companies that reach out to me and they want me to make them videos on their AI tools. So I've been making, you know, some videos I get $200 to make a video for one of their tools or whatever. So I have been making money off of this channel. However, what I'm strictly speaking about is the AdSense. Okay, that's what I'm talking about, guys, the AdSense. So although I've made money from other ways by marketing myself other ways, when it comes to the AdSense money, you know, I just think this is the best $6 I've ever made. Why? Because it's like, now I have some hope, you know, now I have more motivation to keep on going and to try and get this number up as high as I can get it. Every single day I want that number higher and higher. Okay, so I made $6 on the very first day that I was monetized. So all I could do is keep putting out quality, keep putting out videos that hopefully help people, and hopefully I could get this number up to, you know, from $6 up to $100 a day, and then next stop will be $200 a day. You know, I don't know. I mean, I'm not gonna take no for an answer. I'm trying to do this full time. I don't want to have to work no more. So this is the way to go. So if you guys want to, like, you know, follow my journey or see how much money you can actually make off of these YouTube channels, well, just make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And yeah, stay tuned for more. We'll check back in by the end of the month and we'll see how much money I was able to make off of the AdSense in 1 month. All right, guys, so I appreciate y'all watching. I appreciate everybody that has subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna keep you up to date and show you guys the analytics along the way as I grow the channel, and we'll just see how much you can make off of a faceless YouTube channel only by screen recording. All right, instead of, like, you know, a lot of people, when they think about faceless channels, you think about all those overly edited channels that, you know, those people are taking tons of time editing those videos. I don't have time like that. So this is a channel where it's realistic. Okay, you guys can, anybody out there can start a channel that like similar to mine that I have right now, because all I'm doing is screen recording videos. Okay, so you guys can all start this type of channel. It doesn't take skills. It doesn't take any skills at all, actually. All right, because I'm not creating like these overly edited videos where, you know, people put a lot of money into it or a lot of time into it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and yeah, we'll check back in by the end of the month and we'll see how much money I was able to make off of this channel in 1 month. All right, guys, I hope you guys have a great night, and yeah, I'm out.